This is the Wolf Pop in Bangpa in Summer Palace, and this is my Katoy friend June and another Katoy friend Fentley, and the Papasan Mike for touring Bangpa in Summer Palace.
Nakadrive ng ano.
So this is the Prime Minister's house during that time.
On the left.
We stop here and take picture of the guard post there.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Parado mo muna dyan. Papapicture tayo, mama, pabalik na. Pabalik na lang. Kaya pabalik na lang. Doon muna tayo sa malalayo. Basta hindi tayo pwedeng titigil dyan. Magandang pag-picture dyan.
Dito, sige.
Sige. Okay. Okay.
Ha? Saan?
Ha? Park? May car park? Ito car park ko.
Kaya nga, pamasta tayo.
This is a tourist trap. Sige, kunin mo yung susi. Baka nakawin.
Hindi mag-drive dun. Work mo pa.
First stop. This is the Chinese guard post and the Prime Minister's house. Yes. Okay. Now signing.